How to sign out your YouTube account from all the other devices. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So, very first step is to go on the YouTube on your device. So, someday you might want to sign out from the other devices because the YouTube channel has been hacked or the YouTube channel is logged in some other devices that you no more want to log in again. So after opening the YouTube, you can simply tap on your profile, which is on the down right section. And after that, just tap on the Google account that you want to remove the Google account from. Tap on the Google account and tap on manage the Google account. After you do so, an interface will be visible on your screen. So from here, just tap on security, tap on manage all the devices. After you tap on manage all the devices will be visible on your screen. So the Google account is only signed in to one device, so that does not make me want to remove others. So yes, you can simply see the devices that it has been logged into and you can sign out from there. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and comment down in the comment section.